Welcome to the M2 Technology video series. Today's episode, my Dell laptop keeps beeping. Inside your laptop, you will have one or two regular audio speakers. You will also have an internal piezo speaker sounder. If upon startup, your piezo speaker sounder is beeping, you may have a dead button battery. The code for Dell is 5 beeps 3 times. Beep, 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 beep. 3 times in a row on Dell indicates a dead button battery. Today, we are going to show you the very easy replacement of this button battery. Once again, if upon startup you are hearing beep, 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 beep 3 times in a row, this indicates you have a bad internal button battery. It is a very easy and quick replacement. This is what your button battery compartment looks like inside your Dell laptop. Always remember to remove your main power source and also your main battery when going inside your laptop. This is where your button battery is seated inside your laptop. Here is a fully depleted button battery inside the Dell laptop. What I always like to do is strike the dead battery with a marker to indicate that that battery is bad and will not be mistakenly put in as a good one. Removing the button battery is simple. Just simply but carefully pop it out. Mother Earth doesn't like it when these get thrown into a landfill. So always make sure to recycle your batteries properly. This Dell laptop uses a very common 2032 button battery, which is a 3-volt lithium. Again, that's a 2032. They are available at almost any retail store that sells batteries. If you contact M2 Technologies, we will send you one for free if you are a current customer of any kind. You will just pay shipping. Again, this is the installation of a 2032 lithium 3-volt battery. Just as simply as it was removed, it can be replaced. Carefully pop the new button battery in. Make sure the positive side, which is indicated with a plus, is on the outer side. Since we have almost always found it is easier to take something apart than it is to put it back correctly, we are going to do the procedure in reverse order. This is inside your Dell laptop. There is an easy to remove panel on the bottom. Once you remove that panel, you will see your disk drive, the button battery, memory. The back panel is held down by 2 small screws. The small screws are placed here and here. The back panel simply snaps down. Make sure the back panel is completely snapped down and firmly in place. The screws will now be put back onto the panel to hold it down. Replace your main battery. Make sure the main battery is firmly in place and that the latch is all the way to the left. Once again from the top, your Dell laptop is beeping on startup. If it is beeping 5 times, 3 times, consecutively, you have a bad button battery. In brief, the fix goes as follows. Turn your Dell laptop over. Remove the main battery. Remember, when working on a laptop, if you are going to go inside the laptop, always remove your main power source and your battery. On the wide back panel as shown, remove the 2 screws. Carefully pop out the back panel and find where the button battery is. Notice that the button battery has the positive side facing outward. This is indicated by a plus sign. Simply pop out the battery, pop in the new battery, and repeat the procedure. Back panel snapped back in. Replace the 2 screws. Put the main battery back in. Make sure the latch is in the battery lock position. Plug in your main power source. Turn on your PC, laptop. You have just quickly and correctly replaced your internal button battery. Best of all, no more annoying beeping. Thank you for watching this and other fine M2 technology videos. Please stay tuned if you're interested in receiving your free button battery. After you have ascertained you need a 2032 button battery, please contact M2 Technology for your free battery. Thank you.